Here I am present the topic of saturated, unsaturated and aromatic hydrocarbons with emphasis on synthesis and free radical. Presented to Dr. Ataful Iltaf and presented by Manur Baloch, roll number 5010. First we will discuss what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. Classification of hydrocarbons. Depending upon the type of carbon-carbon bonds present, they can be classified into three main categories, which are saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. In this slide we will discuss saturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons that contain only carbon-carbon single bond is called saturated hydrocarbons. These include open chain hydrocarbons as well as closed chain hydrocarbons. These compounds are called saturated because they have maximum number of bonded hydrogen. If different carbon atoms are joined together to form an open chain of carbon atoms with single bond, they are called alkanes. For example, 2-methylpropane or isobutane. If carbon atoms form a closed chain or ring, they are called cycloalkanes. For example, cyclopentane. Now we will discuss unsaturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon multiple bond, double bond or triple bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Depending upon multiple bond, they are further classified as alkenes or alkynes. What are alkenes? These are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. For example, ethane. Alkynes. These are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. For example, ethylene. What are aromatic hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons which contain at least one special type of hexagonal ring of carbon atoms with three double bonds in the alternate positions are called aromatic hydrocarbons. The ring is called aromatic ring. For example, toluene or oxylene. The aromatic compounds may also contain more than one benzene ring. For example, naphthalene and anthracene. Now we will discuss the types of hydrocarbons, which are saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि सैचुरेटेड जो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं उनमें नो डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होते हैं और उनकी मिसाल होती है प्रोपीन. और जो अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं उनमें अल्कीन्स और अल्काइंस होते हैं. अल्कीन्स डबल बॉन्ड कंटेन करती है और उसकी एग्जांपल है प्रोपीन. और जो अल्काइंस हैं उनमें ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होते हैं और उसकी एग्जांपल है CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH प्रोपाइन. और जो एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं वो बेंजीन रिंग कंटेन करते हैं और फॉर एग्जांपल है कि मिथाइल बेंजीन. What are alkanes? Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons containing only carbon-carbon single bond in their molecules. They are also called as paraffins. At high temperature and pressure do undergo some reaction. The alkanes may be divided as open chain or acyclic alkanes and cycloalkanes or cyclic alkanes. Open chain or acyclic alkanes. These are simple alkanes without any closed chains and have the general formula CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. For example, methane CH4. Structure of alkanes. जो मीथेन है फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ दिस फैमिली है. इट हैज़ टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर है. ओवरलैपिंग इसमें sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होती है. The 4 sigma bonds is formed by the overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon and 1s orbital of hydrogen. In this, carbon atom lies at the center and the 4 hydrogen atoms lies at the corners of the regular tetrahedron, making HCH bond angle of 109.5. Now we will discuss the preparation of alkanes. Petroleum and natural gas are the main sources of alkanes. However, alkanes can be prepared by 3 methods. Method for preparation of alkanes are from unsaturated hydrocarbons, from alkyl halides and from carboxylic acids. Properties of alkanes. Physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties. सबसे पहले हम इसकी डिस्कस करते हैं नेचर. जो अल्केन्स है ऑलमोस्ट नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं एंड देयरफॉर द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर होल्ड ओनली बाय वीक वान डर वाल फोर्सेस होती हैं. द वीक इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस डिपेंड ओनली अपॉन द साइज एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स. Due to the weak forces, the carbon 1 to carbon 4 are gases. The next 13 alkanes from carbon 5 to carbon 17 are liquid होते हैं and higher जो member of this family हैं more than 18 carbon atom are solids at 298 Kelvin. जो boiling points होते हैं alkanes have generally low boiling points because they are non-polar and the molecules are held together only by weak van der Waals forces. With the increase in the number of carbon atoms, the molecular size increases and therefore the magnitude of van der Waals forces also increases. Consequently, the boiling points increases with increase in number of carbon atoms. It has been observed that each carbon added to the chain increases the boiling point by 20 to 30 Kelvin. The boiling point of n alkanes with increase in number of carbon per molecule of the homologous series. जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होते हैं अल्केन्स के वो डू नॉट शो रेगुलर वेरिएशन विद इंक्रीज इन मॉलिक्यूलर साइज. इट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व दैट इन जनरल द अल्केन्स विद इवन नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स हैव हायर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एज कंपेयर टू द इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट लोअर अल्केन्स विद ओड नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो प्रोपेन है C3H8 उसका 85.9 होता है और जो ऑक्टेन है C8H18 उसका 216.2 होता है. This is because the alkanes with even number of carbon atoms have more symmetrical structure and result in closer packing in the crystal structure as compared to alkanes with odd number of carbon atoms. Therefore, the attractive forces in the former are more and the melting points are higher as compared to the alkanes with odd number of carbon atoms. Now we will discuss the solubility of alkanes. जो alkanes being non-polar in nature हैं are expected to be insoluble in water. Polar solvent है water. They dissolve in non-polar solvents such as ether, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, etc. The solubility generally decrease with increase in molecular size. As we know that petrol is a mixture of hydrocarbons and is used as a fuel for automobiles. Density alkenes are higher than water. The density increases with the increase in number of carbon atoms. Now we will discuss these chemical properties of alkanes. Number 1 पे substitution reaction. The reaction in which an atom or a group of atoms in a molecule is replaced by some other atoms or a group of atoms are called substitution reaction. Alkanes undergo substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced or substituted by different atoms or groups such as halogens atom, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and nitro groups, NO2 or sulfonic acid, SO3H groups. This involves the replacement of one or more atoms of alkanes by the corresponding number of halogens atom. It is found that the rate of reaction of alkanes with halogens is fluoride greater than chloride greater than bromide greater than iodide. Rate of replacement of hydrogen of alkanes. For example, CH4 plus Cl2 after reaction sunlight में CH3Cl बनेगा क्लोरोमीथेन और जब इसको दोबारा रिएक्ट करवाएंगे तो ट्राइक्लोरोमीथेन बनेगा और जो सनलाइट में फिर रिएक्शन करवाएंगे तो टेट्राक्लोरोमीथेन बनेगा. Now we will discuss the initiation reaction. The reaction is initiated by the homolysis of chlorine molecule in the presence of light or heat. The chlorine bond is weaker than the carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond and hence is easier to break. Chlorine single bond chlorine after reaction homolysis होगी तो chlorine free radical बनेगा plus chlorine free radical. Second number पे chlorine free radicals attacks the methane molecules and take the reaction in the forward direction by breaking the carbon-hydrogen bond to generate methyl free radicals with the formation of hydrogen chloride CH4 plus Cl free radical after reaction CH3 free radical plus HCl. The methyl radical thus obtained attacks the second molecules of chlorine to form a CH3Cl methyl chloride with the liberation of another chlorine free radical by homolysis of chlorine molecules. Now we will discuss the termination reaction. The reaction stops after some time due to consumption of reactants and due to the following side reaction. The possible chain terminating steps are chlorine free radical plus chlorine free radical after reaction Cl single bond Cl, H3C free radical plus CH3 free radical after reaction CH3 plus single bond CH3, H3C free radical plus Cl dot after reaction H3C single bond Cl. So in CH3Cl the one of the product is formed but free radicals are consumed and the chain reaction is terminated. Combustion. जो alkenes हैं on heated in the presence of air are dioxygen are completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water with the evaluation of large amount of heat. The general combustion reaction is followed. Due to the evaluation of large amount of heat during combustion, alkenes are used as fuels. Now we will discuss the isomerization. Alkanes isomerize to branched chain alkanes when heated with anhydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride at 573 Kelvin under a pressure of about 30 to 35 atmospheres. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. After reaction CH3 single bond CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3, ये फॉर्म होगा आइसोप्रोपेन. Now we will discuss the aromatization. The alkanes containing 6 or more carbon atoms when heated at about 773 Kelvin under high pressure of under 10 to 20 atm in the presence of catalyst on aluminium gel get converted to aromatic compounds. This process is called aromatization. CH3 single bond CH2 taken 4 single bond CH3. After reaction benzene form होगा. Reaction of steam. On passing a mixture of steam and methane over heated nickel supported over aluminium oxide Al2O3 catalyst at 1273 Kelvin, जो मीथेन है वो ऑक्सीडाइज होगा टू कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन अवॉल्व होगी. CH4 + H2 आफ्टर रिएक्शन कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड फॉर्म होगी और 3H2 अवॉल्व होंगे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द पैरोलाइसिस. When higher जो alkanes है हीटेड करते हैं at high temperature in the presence of aluminium or silica catalyst, the alkanes break down होते हैं lower alkanes में और alkenes में. For example है कि जो C3H8 है वो बनेगा C2H4 + CH4. This reaction is called fragmentation or cracking or pyrolysis. Pyrolysis of hexane gives following products: C6H14 ये बनाएगा C6H12 + O2, C4H8 + C2H6 and C3H6 + C2H2 + CH4. Now we will discuss alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing आज हम एक किस्सा होया आज alkenes भी पे alkyne. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon double bond in their molecules. They have the general formula CnH2n. The simplest form of alkenes family is ethane C2H4. Structure of double bond जो है कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड इन alkenes जो होता है कंसिस्ट करता है स्ट्रॉन्ग सिग्मा बॉन्ड पे about 397 kilojoule per mole due to the head overlapping of sp2 hybrid orbitals and one weak pi bonds. Now we will discuss the isomerism in alkanes. Structural isomerism होते हैं, geometrical isomerism होते हैं. जो structural isomerism है वो मज़ीद डिवाइड होते हैं चेन आइसोमरिज्म में और पोजीशन आइसोमरिज्म में. Structural isomerism. Alkenes show following types of structural isomerism. Chain isomerism. The isomerism which differs with respect to the chain of carbon atoms, as in alkanes, ethane and propane, can have only one structure, but alkenes higher than propanes have different structures. Position isomerism. The isomerism differ in the position of the double bond. For example, chloropentane and chloromethane. Geometrical isomerism. The compounds which have the same structure formula but differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms or groups of the atoms about the double bond are called geometrical isomerism, and the phenomena is called geometrical isomerism. Preparation of alkanes. They are found from alkynes, from alkyl halides, from vicinal dihalides, and from alcohols. Pyrolysis. Alkenes are oxidized with ozone to form ozonides, which are unstable compounds. These are reduced with zinc and water, forming aldehydes and ketones. The reaction is called ozonolysis, and we will discuss polymerism. Polymerization. Polymerization is a process in which a large number of simple molecules combine to form a bigger molecule of higher molecular mass. The small molecules are called monomers, while the bigger molecules are called macromolecules or polymers. Now we will discuss alkynes. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon triple bond in their molecules. Their general formula is CnH2n-2. The simplest member of the class is ethyl C2H2, which is properly known as acetylene. Isomerism in alkynes. Chain isomerism है, the isomers differ in the chain of alkanes. Chain isomerism, the isomers differ in the chain of carbon atoms. For example, the molecules having molecular formula C5H8 shows chain isomerism. Pent1-ine. Position isomerism. Alkynes having more than 4 carbon atoms show position isomerism. For example, but1-ine and but2-ine. Preparation of alkynes from calcium carbide and from vicinal dihalides. from calcium carbides. Acetylene is prepared in the laboratory as well as an industrial scale by the action of water on calcium carbide. CaC2 plus 2H2O. After reaction, HC triple bond CH plus CaOH taken twice. From vicinal dihalides on treatment with alcohols, potassium hydroxide undergo dehydrohalogenation. One molecule of hydrogen halide is eliminated to form alkyl halides, which on treatment with sodium gives alkynes. CH3CH2 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 Br2 के प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन होगा तो ये बनेगा CH3CH2 CBr CHBr 1,2 dibromide butane and 1 bromo 1 butane. प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ अल्काइंस, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं, फिजिकल स्टेट एंड स्मेल होती है, सोलबिलिटी होती है. दस एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, these hydrocarbons are also known as arenes since most of them possesses pleasant odor. Greek aroma means pleasant smelling. The class of compounds was named as aromatic compounds. The parent member of the family is benzene, having the molecular formula C6H6. It has hexagonal ring of 6 carbon atoms with 3 double bond in alternate position. Aromatic compounds containing benzene rings are known as benzenides, and those are not containing a benzene ring are known as non-benzoids. For example, benzene, toluene, naphthalene, and biphenyl. Aromatic compounds are those which resembles benzene in chemical behavior. These compounds contain alternate double and single bonds in a cyclic structure. They undergo substitution reaction rather than addition reaction. This characteristic behavior is called aromacity. The aromacity depends upon the electronic structure of the molecules. For example, cyclopentadienylamine. The main essential for aromacity are. Now we will discuss the preparation of benzenes. Decarboxylation of aromatic acid. Benzene is prepared in the laboratory by heating sodium benzoate with soda lime. A reduction of phenol. Benzene can be prepared from phenol by distillation with zinc. Properties: electrophilic substitution reaction, mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, and addition reaction. Now we will discuss addition reaction. Addition of hydrogen. Benzene react with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst such as nickel or potassium at 473 to 573 Kelvin under pressure to form cyclohexene. Benzene plus 3H2 in presence of nickel catalyst ये बनेगा cyclohexane. And addition of halogens. Benzene react with chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight and absence of halogen carrier to form benz hexachloride. Benzene plus 3Cl2 after reaction ये बनेगा benzene hexachloride. Combustion. On completely burning with oxygen, benzene it gives carbon dioxide and water with the evolution of a large amount of energy. For example, general reaction है कि CXHY plus X plus 4 बटे Y बटा 4 O2 बनेगा तो ये बन जाएगा XCO2 plus Y over 2 H2O. Now we will discuss the ortho and para directing group. The groups with which direct the incoming group to ortho and para positions are called ortho and para directing groups. As an example, let us discuss the directive influence of OH group. The resonance structure of phenol showed that the overall electronic density of the benzene ring increases in comparison to benzene. Therefore, it is an activator. We will discuss the carcinogenicity and toxicity. Benzene and polynuclear hydrocarbons containing more than 2 benzene rings fuse together and are toxic and said to possess cancer producing. Very much.